Welcome to Commerce Academic Zone. இந்த வீடியோல 12th standard economics கான important 3 mark questions பார்க்கலாம். இந்த questions எல்லாமே reduced syllabusல இருந்து எடுத்தது. Already important 2 mark questions video upload பண்ணிருக்கேன். வீடியோ பார்க்காதவங்க பாருங்க. வீடியோக்கான லிங்க் description boxல கொடுத்திருக்கேன். இப்போ 3 mark questions பார்க்கலாம். Chapter 1ல state the importance of macroeconomics, describe the different type of economic system, outline the major merit of capitalism, indicate the demerit of socialism, enumerate the features of mixed economics, distinguish between capitalism and globalization, briefly explain the two-sector circular flow method. Chapter 2 write a short note on per capital income, explain briefly NNP at factor cost, give short note on expenditure method. Chapter 3 write a note on the implication of the sales laws. Explain Keynes theory in the form of flow chart. Explain about aggregate supply with the help of diagram. What do you mean by aggregate demand? Mention its components. Write any 5 difference between classism and Keynesianism. Chapter 4 state the proposition of Keynes, psychological law of consumption, differentiate autonomous and induced investment, mention the difference between accelerator and multiplier effect. Chapter 5 what are the determinants of money supply? Write the type of inflation, explain demand pull and cost push inflation, state Cambridge equation of value of money. What is money supply? Chapter 6 give a brief note on NBFI, bring out the method of credit control. What are the function of NABARD? Specify the function of IFCI, distinguish between money market and capital market. Mention the objectives of demonetization. Chapter 7 explain the net barter terms of trade and gross barter terms of trade, distinguish between balance of trade and balance of payment. Chapter 8 mention any 3 lending program of IMF, write the agenda of BRICS Summit 2018, state briefly the function of SAARC. Chapter 9 what are the functions of a modern state, state any 3 characteristics of taxation. Chapter 10 what are the causes of water pollution, explain different type of air pollution, state the meaning of e-waste. What is the land pollution? Mention the causes of land pollution. Write a note on climate change, acid rain. Chapter 11 elucidate major causes of vicious circle of poverty with diagram. How would be break vicious circle of poverty? Trade the evaluation of economic planning in India. What are the functions of NITI? Chapter 12 what are the function of statistics? Find the standard deviation of following data. State and explain the different kind of correlation. Discuss the important statistical organization in India. Next video important 5 more questions பார்க்கலாம். வீடியோ தொடர்ந்து பாருங்க. Thank you.